Man, you a cute ass dog. Roof. The fuck? Denji, my poor boy. I apologize, but I have tricked you. I am really working for the zombie devil. Why? I don't know, evil reasons, I guess. Yo. You speak English? Shut the fuck up. I am literally dying to revive your sorry ass. Oh, for real? So could you at least, like, do something with your life? Please. Yeah, man, sure. But she dies in the trash compactor, and then she transforms, you know, the chainsaw man, like, kills everyone. Yep, it's pretty cool. What the actual shit? I want ass. Oh, for real? Burn outside. Okay, here's the deal. You. Yes. Bet. This is your new partner, Aki. Cool. You should quit. Excuse me? Shut up. Denji, I'm not a moron. You clearly kicked the shit out of his balls, erasing any semblance of a future generation. It appears to be a good firm kick though, nice form. Thank you, miss. Here's your new partner. Geneva Conventions are more guidelines than rules. Oh god. They are now out of vending machines. Denji is about to achieve one of his most noble achievements. Let me cop a feel. No. Fuck. Wait, save my cat and you can. Prepare to be saved, cat. Can I have my cat back now? So the Bat Devil runs like a little bitch, but then he's trying to fiddle a fat tit. What the fuck? What the fuck? Why would you say that? Wow, now that was like kind of cool. Now? Could you literally not? Like, I just died. Fine. Yo, I want to kill everyone. Dude, shut up. I just want to cop a fat feel. The fuck? For real? Fair. He then left in mutual understanding of something, I don't know. Gun Devil is evil. Oh, okay. We're collecting these different pieces of him to order to locate the dude to the matter of the recent attack, which killed like so many people. Yeah, they'd be chilling, and then also other people also be there. Benny, be chill with it. Huh? Holy fucking shit! Appears this apartment is infinite. Give me Chainsaw Man. This appears morally ambiguous. Please shut up. Dan. I killed him. Nice. You know, you guys aren't too bad. Why would you say that? What'd I do? Shut up. Why would you say that? Fucking moron. You idiot. I was stupid. Makima, what did you do here? You guys look sweet together. Who the fuck's that guy? You guys got any gum? Now, dude. Kill him. Please, Ghost. Save Aki. Thank you. Man, you suck balls. Well, fuck. Prepare to die. Man, I got yeah, look at this bit where you're squatting down for what you. Man, shut the fuck. Oh man, you look like a dumbass. Man, I suck balls. Well, that just happens. What the actual shit? Oh god. Yeah, that isn't very good. What the fuck, man? I'm so fucked up. Kill that bitch. Yep, bet. Spit it out. I take this ciggy. Oh yeah, she took it. What a loser. The fuck? Why do you still have this job? I'm poor. Okay. Meanwhile. Police station. 15 minutes. Cigars, baby. You got him? Yep. You know what? Maybe I'll turn over a new leaf. And so they kicked the shit out of Katana Man's balls. Season 1. The end.